What is going on, my crypto fam? It is RJ here, and in today's video we are going to go ahead and do a review on the CryptoTag Zeus starter kit. Now, CryptoTag did send me this to review, so thank you so much. Just to let you guys know exactly what this is a wallet backup. This is not a hardware wallet. What this does is it is a backup of your 12, 24 word seed phrase. And so as you guys can see, it's completely unopened. Still got the plastic in there and everything. So let's go ahead and open it. And so it comes in this really nice clean box. I really love, I'm a sucker for aesthetics. And as you guys can see, this is a well put together box. And yeah, let's open it. All right, so let's open this. So the first thing out of the box is going to be your CryptoTag setup guide. So we'll put this aside and we'll go back into it. We then have the 2 pieces of conversion paper, and we're going to be writing on that. And then here you have your 6mm thick bulletproof pieces of titanium. And then we're going to put this aside. And then here you have your matches that's meant to burn the backup paper. And then you have earplugs for the stamper. And then you have the actual press itself. So this is spring loaded. And what you do is you punch it into the actual titanium metal. And so we'll get back into this. We'll put this aside for now. But before we actually start getting into this, I want to go over the website really quick. Okay, so what you do is you take apart these 2 pieces of metal, and then you open this up, where you are going to be stamping the corresponding numbers to your seed phrase. And as you saw, they are numbers. So what exactly does that mean for people that are new to this? So when you look at the setup guide, what it's going to show you is a list of words. So for example, if we take a look here, if our word is divorce, we are going to stamp 0513. If our word is dolphin, we are going to stamp 0519. If our word is door, it's going to be 0524, so on and so on. And what these words are is it's all corresponding words and numbers on the BIP39 word list. So you can, if you lose this piece of paper, you can just Google BIP39 word list, and what ends up happening is you search for it on the internet. So really interesting stuff here. But before we actually go into the CryptoTag itself, I wanted to visit their website really quickly here and show you guys that CryptoTag's website is super clean. I love this thing. And so here's the Zeus kit that they were able to send me. So it goes for $129, but I want to go to the About Us section. So we are a crypto security company from Amsterdam. I've visited Amsterdam, love that place. We believe cryptocurrencies and blockchain will make our society a better place. That's why we want to contribute to the community. For this reason, we produce high quality products that enable people around the world to be their own bank. HODL first. Now, the cool thing about CryptoTag is they have their own testing facility. And so they actually put their products to the absolute test. So they blowtorch it, they open fire, they shoot the thing. That's why it is bulletproof, closed fire. And I mean, guys, look, this website is so crazy because they show you all the things that they put this test through. And let's say there's a house fire or anything like that. Will this survive something like that? And so as you saw, CryptoTag is tested in temperatures up to 1,665 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 3,029 degrees Fahrenheit for those people in the US. And so if you guys visit their website, you'll actually see this. Just click on the testing facility and you guys can scroll through it yourself. But I mean, guys, this thing is amazing, right? If you want peace of mind, absolutely. And look at this, it's armor. They tested it with Beretta 9mm, Glock 9mm, CZ Scorpion, firing distance up to 10 meters. So they shot this thing and it did not puncture through. So when we're talking about keeping the most important thing about your wallet into owning your crypto is your seed phrase, CryptoTag and their 6mm titanium thick plates, I would put my money in this protecting that seed phrase. Now, of course, like I said, what I plan to do with this is once I start stamping my seed phrases into this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this in my own fireproof safe, which we have. But I mean, guys, this thing is heavy, heavy duty. Heavy duty. And I mean, there is some insane weight to this. This thing is bulletproof, so I can like wear this on my heart and it's gonna stop bullets. And for obvious reasons, I can't really start punching words for you guys, but just letting you guys know, as you saw, for example purposes, let's say our first word was in fact divorce. And so we will see the corresponding word for divorce is 0513. So what you'll do on your plate is you will look for your first word and it's going to be 0. So you'll punch 0. So you will take your puncher and you will align it up with the 0 and you're going to push down. And that's why they have these earmuffs to put in, because apparently this can be loud as it punches into the actual titanium plate. So what you do is you will have this on a table. You put it right on 0, and then this thing, you'll just push it down, and that spring is going to give, and it's going to hit a little bit of resistance, and boom, it'll punch it. So really cool intuitive stuff here from CryptoTag. Now, if you guys saw their like ultimate set, which was like the Thor hammer, it's like $300. Let's go over it really quickly here. So I want to show you guys, if you go to products and you look at this Thor starter kit, it's $350. So what we do is we take a look at it, and it comes with its own little housing here where you put this CryptoTag in here, and then you find the appropriate letter, you line it up, and then you actually hammer it in. It's got this hammer. That's crazy. That is a little overkill, but it is a cool and unique set. Now, if you don't need that, the Zeus Kit is enough for you. You have your punch, and then you have your corresponding BIP39 guide here that you can reference. But all in all, guys, if you want a solid, no pun intended, product to hold your seed phrases, definitely look into CryptoTag. I mean, you are paying 100% for quality. This is absolute quality right here. Again, you know, you can look at their testing facility. You can go to their About Us. I mean, they've stress tested this to the T. I mean, they have their own testing facility where they shot it, they blowtorched it, they put it under fire. And that is something that I would like, especially guys, let's be real, when in the near future you are holding possibly millions of dollars in your crypto wallet, you want, this is your peace of mind. Meaning what I need to do is and I've been meaning to do this, I need to meet back with my estate attorney and make sure that, you know, if anything ever were to happen to me, that there was a set of instructions so that my family would know what to do with this crypto tag, with the seed phrase, to actually access the funds, potentially millions of dollars that the family's holding. But there you guys have it, a review on the CryptoTag wallet backup. Really cool. I love this thing. It is, guys, I truly, when I say this, it doesn't look like it from the camera, but this thing is heavy. It's got some weight to it. And you can just absolutely hear it when you take the metal pieces aside. I mean, that it is just pure titanium metal that is bulletproof, and that's how you know you're purchasing quality, and you're purchasing peace of mind that if anything unfortunate were to happen, that your seed phrases would actually be protected and they won't catch on fire, they won't get blurred out. You will have peace of mind knowing that it is protected. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, do me a favor and smashy that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, if you guys want a free $50 in Bitcoin, I will leave a link down in the description below to open a Celsius account where you need to transfer $400 worth of total assets, and you will be given that Bitcoin 100% free. Now, what you do with that Bitcoin is entirely up to you, but it is just free money waiting to be claimed. If you guys have any other questions, just please post them in the comment section below. Life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm going to see everyone on the next crypto video next time.